Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to discuss about how you can fix dev error 11557 in Modern Warfare 2, Call of Duty or Warzone 2. So let's jump to the PC and I will show you how you can resolve that. What you basically need to do is just to update your graphic card. For that, go to the search toolbar here and type Device Manager. Device Manager will appear as a best match. Click on it. Go to Display Adapters, expand it, and then the graphic that you have here, right click on it and then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. For me, the best drivers are already installed. If you've got another message that you need to download an updated driver, go ahead and do that, complete the process, and then go back to the game and check if that error has been resolved. It should have been resolved. With that, I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.